Hello everyone, welcome back to CyberSmart Kids. I'm very happy to see you again. In day 14, we learned about algorithms. In day 15, we learned about sequence. In day 16, we learned about loops. Today, in day 17, we will learn another very important coding concept, if-else in coding. If-else helps computers make decisions just like we do. For example, if it is raining, take an umbrella, else go outside normally. That is if-else thinking. Let's learn it in a simple and fun way. Kids, if-else is a way to make decisions in coding. It means if something is true, do this, else do something else. Let us make it simple. If you are hungry, eat food, else keep playing. If your homework is done, you can watch a cartoon, else finish homework first. If the traffic light is green, cars can go, else cars must stop. This is if-else. The computer checks a condition. A condition is something that can be true or false. If it's true, the computer does one action. If false, it does another. If-else is everywhere in daily life. Example 1. If it is cold, wear a jacket. Else, wear normal clothes. Example 2. If your bottle is empty, fill it with water. Else, keep it in your bag. Example 3. If your school bus arrives, get on the bus. Else, wait. Example 4. If your pencil breaks, sharpen it. Else, continue writing. Example 5. If it is bedtime, stop screen time. Else, continue your activity. See, we make decisions all the time. Coding uses the same idea. Now let us understand the word condition. A condition is like a question. The answer can be true or false. For example, is it raining? If yes, the condition is true. If no, the condition is false. Question, is the score greater than 10? If yes, true. If no, false. Question, did the player touch the star? If yes, true. If no, false. In coding, the computer checks conditions to decide what to do next. Let us learn the simple if-else formula. If condition is true, do action 1, else do action 2. For example, if score is 10, say you win, else say keep trying. Another example, if password is correct, open the account, else show wrong password. If player touches coin, add 1 point, else keep moving. This helps the computer choose between two paths. If-else is used in almost every game. Imagine a simple game. A player catches stars. The computer checks if player touches the star, add 1 point, else keep the star on the screen. If player touches an enemy, lose 1 life, else continue the game. If score reaches 10, show level complete, else continue playing. Games need decisions. Without if-else, games would not know what to do. If-else is also useful for online safety. If a message asks for your password, do not reply and tell an adult. Else, check if the message is from a trusted person. If a link looks unknown, do not click. Else, ask parents before opening. If someone online asks for your photo, stop and tell an adult. This is how if-else thinking helps us make smart digital decisions. Now it is activity time. I will say a situation. You think of the if-else decision. Situation 1. It is raining outside. If it is raining, take an umbrella. Else, go normally. Situation 2. Your homework is not complete. If homework is complete, play a game. Else, finish homework first. Situation 3. A game says, click here for free coins. If it's an unknown link, do not click. Else, use only trusted game options. Very good. You are thinking like a coder. Today you learned about if-else in coding. You learned what it means, what a condition is, and how it works in games and safety. Remember, if-else means if this is true, do this. Else, do something else. Thank you for joining day 17 of CyberSmart Kids. See you in the next class. Bye-bye and keep coding safely.